Have I yelled once at you? You've been
Because
screaming.
I watched what y'all just did to that man.
Driver, exit the vehicle with your hands up. 6 safer. Exit the vehicle with your hands up. Do it now. Hey, get out of the way, sir! Get out of the way! 60, we got a hot stop behind Papa John's.
Step out of the vehicle! Facing away! Step out of the vehicle facing away from us. We'll explain it to you. Step out of the vehicle! Step out of the vehicle facing away from us.
DeAndre, you got a warrant. Step out. Open the door from the outside and step out of the vehicle. You! Alright, just listen to us. Is there an exit on that side?
Step out of the vehicle!
Good, so what? Roll the window. You roll the window back up. Roll down the window. Do it now.
You are under arrest. Roll the window down and show us your hands.
Just take it off. Just take it off.
101, he was moving to the west in the vehicle, but I don't think he's going to be able to get out.
He just pushed the car out of the way.
Pushing cars out of the way with his car to get out.
47 Compton Peters, speed 73 miles an hour. We're going to be going southbound Peters, southbound Peters. 47, continue southbound Peters, past Johnson, almost 1050, speed 78 miles an hour. 1050, hit a car by 1111, he's going to be bailing.
Lead the dog, let the dog win.
Get on the foot pursuit to the grass, foot pursuit to the grass.
Headed towards Pick and Save. Headed towards Pick and Save.
Let me send the dog, look out.
Get on the ground! Get on the ground! Get on the ground! Get on the ground!
Crash by 1111.
Do not move. You're going to get bit by a dog. Do you understand?
Start a tow and also start an ambulance full subject. He was safe.
Stop talking.
All right.
You're killing me, man.
All right, ma'am. Are you okay?
Yeah, I am. Just
All right. Sorry for the excitement.
DeAndre, you got the tats on your neck. I ain't buying that.
Killing me, dude.
you weren't up here.
Can I have you just back up and then turn around and go the other way? All right. Thank you.
Thank you.
Let's roll to this side. We're going to roll you over. Do you have any weapons on you, boss? Clear the vehicle. The vehicle's not been cleared yet.
Told him to wait for the dog, man. Come on, dude. He's bailing right in the middle of the grass. I don't know. I think that whole front end is screwed. Nope, the whole front axle snapped.
Who y'all looking for?
You?
Who's Michael? My name Michael.
We're going to sit on your butt. We're going to go up to the squad, okay?
Ready, say 1, 2, 3.
You said you talking about butt?
Saw your tattoo. Hop in right here.
Wait, can I ask you something?
Get in the car.
Can I ask you
Get in the car, DeAndre.
something? Damn, man.
Give me my keys, bro.
What you talking about?
God, I saw him running and I was like, dude, come on. Wait. Oh.
I'll snip it in a second here. Just push it out of the way.
Get in the car, dude. Get in the car.
What did I do?
Boost up your leg, dude.
He's still fighting in the back of the car.
$3 the arrest of him.
You're not telling me nothing, sir.
You want me to jump in and steer? Let's go that way?
Get your foot out of the door so it's slammed.
We need city units to go to Papa John's. Should have stopped. He should have stopped. He pushed vehicles out of the way. He got into a pursuit. Okay.
Yeah. He just broke my door. Stop kicking.
Logan, you got the wrap?
He said he's bringing theirs out here. You got him too? You did? Right here? Yeah. Okay. I'm trying to calm down here a little bit.
Yeah, me too. I see him coming right up behind me. I was trying to get out. I just took a pre-workout too, going to the gym.
Stop! Enough! Pull him out. Pull him out. We're gonna be done with that. He can go on the ground then.
Where can get him out? Come out here. Come out here. Come out here. Come out here. Hey, grab his backside. Don't let him fall all the way down.
Oh, you worried about what he's got in the back seat?
Put him on his stomach. Over.
You're not gonna kick. You're not gonna kick.
Yep. Let me, someone hold him. I'll check the photo and make sure. Yeah.
I don't even know we got.
We got about 8 warrants right here.
You need to tone it down.
We're public space, right?
Yeah, but you can't be disorderly. You can't be yelling, swearing.
Are you with him?
Am I with him? No, they're with.
What's your name?
Sheriff Walshman.
All right, just take deep breaths.
I can breathe.
Hey, take deep breaths, man. All right.
What y'all need this? And we just watched y'all push his car with the squad car after he's over here.
He has like a dozen warrants. He's been involved in multiple high-speed chases. He got. Hang on a minute. I'm explaining.
Focus on breathing.
I can breathe. What is that?
Oh, the rat.
What is the rat?
Take a big breath, man.
And then he ran over here, and then y'all moved his car after he was in the back of that squad.
We pushed it out of the road.
Yeah. With the squad car. That's damage. That's called criminal damage to property. If I move a car with my car because something else is in the way.
Not your concern. That's his concern with hers.
Citizen's concern.
Yeah, I just have the biggest adrenaline dump of my life. He was driving like a bat out of hell, dude. It was probably the craziest driving I've seen. First ever successful taser deployment.
There we go.
Sir, we have an obligation to open a roadway too, all right?
Oh, open a roadway? Who can come through here? Come on.
Look, is he at least good in the squad car?
All right, well,
It's him. I mean,
I can't breathe. What is that for? I don't know what y'all talking about. I can't breathe.
Well, he's still being non-compliant. You could hear him probably kicking and screaming and banging and knocking around. What's that?
Can you stop inching up?
No, I can keep. I'm talking to you.
See, but if I inch up on you, it's different. You tell me to back up, and she asked you politely to back up, and
There's 15 feet between us.
Literally, I was right there when the conversation started.
If you want to leave, you're welcome to leave. If you want to leave, you're welcome to leave.
Get that badge. You know, act like you're something special, like the law don't apply to y'all.
Oh, wait. Hey. Michael.
Michael what?
I can't. Mama, I was in the car.
I'm just nosy. I wanted to see.
That's okay. I got my camera rolling too.
Like you act like the badge don't apply to y'all, but if you ask us to back up and we don't, we get taken to the ground and put in cuffs. Doesn't matter if he had a warrant, he made mistakes. Congratulations. Y'all just made a mistake down there, because if I do that, that's criminal damage to property.
don't know if he ingests anything, but he just started saying he can't breathe. And
Hey, wake up.
It's bullshit. I back the blue. I back the badge, but y'all don't listen when somebody asks you to do something.
Maybe if you would have seen how he was acting in the beginning, putting so many people at risk.
You act backwards in the beginning. You've never had see, you're still doing it. You're still doing it. That's that powder chest. That's nothing but dust. It's nothing but a uniform and metal.
Have a better afternoon.
Powder and a metal.
Think we're taking the ambulance to the hospital? Do you take a bite?
No, he got tased. Should have got bit. That really sucks.
22 assault.
What was this guy over here? Was he just pissed that?
yeah, I don't know what he was.
Pissed that we pushed the car out of the road.
Is it his car?
No.
Yeah.
Don't worry about
It reeks like fresh weed back here.
Nope. Gotcha.
Royston, you're gonna have to owe me a big fat dinner, dude.
I will. I genuinely feel bad.
The suspect is being transported to jail after hospital treatment, but he still appears to be up to no good.
What's your problem with me? I don't got on no shoes. I don't.
No other way.
I'm just saying we could have waited until he got up in there. You put me in like I'm cold all over again. I'm hot in a bit.
You want the window down or up?
What the f you mean the window down or up?
You said you're hot.
I said I'm cold in a. I ain't said I'm hot in a.
High.
Yeah, I said I'm high. Like, come on, man. I'm not, like, the least you can do it. Like, even I have a hard dog treat me horribly for no reason.
Hey, we got your phone.
Who smashed my phone?
I didn't smash it. What you got in your butt?
You said what?
You got stuff in your ass or what?
You said what?
You got dope in your butt or what?
No, I'm not. Man, you driving crazy, man. I like sticking some shit up my eyes, man. You're not even making no sense.
Usually people, when they're moving like that, they're hiding stuff. I mean, I don't think so, because you probably would already dipped into the hospital, but...
Oh, my God.
That's what happened.
The screaming man eventually calmed down and is reportedly attending city council meetings complaining the sun is too bright. Both the suspect's vehicle and the victim's vehicle were towed from the scene. The suspect, identified as DeAndre Bradshaw, was charged with fleeing or eluding an officer causing bodily harm or property damage, 2 counts of first-degree recklessly endangering safety, hit and run, resisting or obstructing an officer, possession of THC, and 7 counts of felony bail jumping. According to court records, DeAndre was found guilty of fleeing or eluding an officer causing bodily harm or property damage, and 2 counts of felony bail jumping following no contest pleas. Additional charges were dismissed but read in as part of a plea agreement. DeAndre was sentenced to 5 years of prison and 5 years of extended supervision. The felony bail jumping sentences run concurrently, and he received 353 days of credit for time served. He will be released back into the public in 2028 when he is 37 years old.